MatchWornShirt.com is a company that is actually based in Europe. It's a global leader in authentication, selling, match-worn jersey, and memorabilia. And we decided to actually invest with that company. We spent like more than a year and a half working with them, trying to figure out how to do it. And we are very proud to announce our partnership today. MatchWornShirt actually has more than 70,000 customers all over the world from every countries who are actually sports fans and want to engage and own match-worn jersey or actually game-used memorabilia. And they work with, I think, 200 teams all over the world, so it's very complementary with what we are doing. The goal of Chiliz is to create a global ecosystem using technology of blockchain and cryptocurrencies for everything that is sports and entertainment related. And we felt that partnering and investing and actually become a shareholder of MatchWornShirt fit that purpose, fit that narrative of us helping them to grow globally, thanks to the fact that we have almost 2 million users, that we work with as well more than 100 clubs all over the world, or actually sports property. But what's interesting is that we think that we are building an ecosystem, and us being partner, being a shareholder of that company is going to help us to build that global ecosystem that's going to benefit not only fans, but also sports property, and of course the leagues and everybody we're working with. MWS or MatchWornShirt, what's interesting as well is we're going to start to integrate it into the Socios.com app, meaning that fan token holders are going to be able to actually bid and participate to the auction because they own fan tokens for the teams that the MWS is working with. So there is a multiple angle here. There is an angle from the user's point of view, from the sports property point of view, but there is also a technical element where not only we're going to offer MWS portfolio of thousands of jersey available into the Socios.com ecosystem and users, but also we're going to use the Chiliz chain on top of that. With the launch of Chiliz Chain 2.0, we started to look at more and more features, company, developers we're going to start to onboard. And one of the things we wanted to focus on is this memorabilia and authentication. I think you may have seen what we've done in January in Saudi Arabia between Inter Milan and AC Milan. There was the final of Supercoppa, I think, where we eventually have the balls where we put an NFC chip into the ball that scored the goal. And eventually we had the NFC being like NFT and metadata around this, so that was very interesting. Now we're going to scale that with MWS in a way that every jersey that's going to be sold over time is going to have like an NFC chip that's going to be connected to the jersey, and you, with your phone, you're going to be able to put your phone next to the jersey that you just acquired and have access to the metadata that makes unique that jersey, including, of course, the information of that jersey, where it was used, where it was worn, but why not, at some point, some videos of where that jersey was worn. What's very interesting in the next few weeks and hopefully the next few months is Socios.com is going to offer more and more real-time live auction. So during the game where you own a fan token, you're going to be able to buy, to acquire, to earn, to win sometimes this match-worn jersey and this game-used memorabilia. So we really want to give more utility to the fan token holders, to this digital asset that we created, and that's what's going to be critical in 2023 and 2024. We announced recently that Chiliz is going to continue to invest to try to support the ecosystem that we are building. Socios.com is, of course, one massive vehicle and one vertical. Now we have as well MWS, MatchWornShirt, but we're going to have more and more companies, partners that we aim to invest either directly or indirectly. We announced last week or 2 weeks ago, Jump Crypto investing up to $50 million into the Chiliz ecosystem. We're going to have more investors actually going to participate and try to finance and fund grant that's going to create more utility and having developers participating. So we are very confident that we are creating a real global ecosystem in the sports and entertainment space, which benefits, as I said, fans, users, and sports property in general. And I hope that this partnership that we announced today with MatchWornShirt is the first one of a long series.